On a recent visit to Zambia, Lilian and a group from DOB Ecology needed to get a bird's-eye view of the Ngonye Falls Community Partnership Park in order to gain a deeper understanding of the area's development potential. They fly along the Zambezi River, which delivers spectacular views of unspoiled nature. Long stretches of riverbanks lined with wildlife such as crocodiles and hippos give way to thundering rapids as they come closer to the falls. The morning light dances on the water, creating a sense of anticipation and adventure. Here, it seems time has stood still, and getting lost in Ngonye's wilderness leaves one inspired and connected to nature. When looking across this vast landscape, it becomes easy to understand why Peace Parks is working with various organizations and governments to make sure that it remains intact and protected, and sustainable development here benefits the people relying on it for survival.